So maybe we can just ask the NBI to send this subpoena to the following addresses. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, continue.
Thank you, Chairman. And siguro yung local COP natin, no? May representative ba dito yung region? PNP, regional office?
Provincial Director.
The, regional, mayroon ba? None. Ano lang ang dito, provincial?
Provincial Director, sir.
Please identify yourself.
Sir, I'm Police Colonel J. Dimandal, the Provincial Director of Pampanga Police Office.
Colonel, kailan ka ba nag-assume as Provincial Director?
Sir, June 12, sir. 2024.
June 12 of last year?
This year, sir.
This year?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung Chief of Police mo sa Mexico? Epe, kailan ka ba nag-assume as Chief of Police?
Sir, Police Lieutenant Colonel Pearl Joy Canicola Gulayan, sir. I was assumed as the Chief of Police of Mexico, sir, last September 7, 2023 po, sir, Your Honor.
So, inabutan mo na to, yung investigation, no?
Yes po, sir.
Anyway, dun sa Subbuena, kay Renelyn Solomon, magtulungan na lang po tayo, no?
Yes po,
Kasi
sir.
you have all the networks din, no, through your organization, pwede niya i-coordinate dun sa Kabanatuan. Of course, with the help of NBI.
Yes, Your
Para
Honor.
ma-serve na yung Subbuena.
Yes po.
Okay, thank you. Kap, yun lang ba yung first and last meeting mo with Willie Ong and the Secretary?
Opo, Your Honor, yun po ang last na ano. Ang sabi po kasi nila, yung dala nilang lease contract.
No. Ang tinatanong ko po, yun ba ang pinakauna at saka pinakahuli?
Hindi po, last po yun.
Last. So, how many times did you met Renalyn?
Mga 5 times po siguro.
5 times. So, siyempre, pag pinakita siya yung picture, matandaan mo.
Matatandaan ko po siguro. Your
Matandaan
Honor.
mo. Mr. Chairman, can we direct the PSA to check the record of Renalyn so that we'll just have an initial personal data of Renalyn Solomon with the residence in Cabanatuan. May LTO ba dito? Chairman, wala. Kasi kung baka may license din siya. Diba? So we can check the license at the same time yung itsura din ipa-confirm natin kay Cap at saka kay Vice
Mr. Chair.
para mabilis hindi na magkakalituhan.
Yeah, maybe PSA can provide us the photo of Miss Reynalyn Solomon and show it to the barangay captain. We have the address. We can give you the address now.
Wala yan sila po. Sa record nila.
Wala ba kayo nun?
And then, LCR. Ito na lang, Mayor Gonzales.
Dito.
Nandito si Mayor, di ba? Ay, Mayor, kindly direct your LCR to check the record of, kung baka Cabanatuan siya ngayon nag-reside, pero paki-check na lang po. Pati yung mga, baka may mga police clearances and all documents pertaining to the personality of, Renalyn Solomon.
Magandang hapon po, Mr. Chair. Ako po, i-check po bukas na ni municipal engineer. May ID po daw siya sa...
ID. Oh, yan, may ID. Ayan pala.
But that photo has, ano ba yan? Siya yan, ano ba? Okay. We have two pictures here of documents that has two different signatures of Reynalyn Solomon. So it looks like we can look at the signature.
Can you request the municipal engineer, Kapitan,
To identify.
please, just to confirm if indeed this is the person that you have met.
Kap,
Kap,
paki-identify nyo
engineer.
nga ito. Ayun, nandiyan yung picture. Yung the document I gave you at saka yan, tinan mo.
Mr. Chair.
Chairman, can we request Vice Mayor to approach the COMSEC? If, hindi, paano natin ito? Pasirok natin. Yan. Okay. So Mr. Chairman, for the record, it was confirmed by a barangay captain of Malino and the municipal engineer, and more or less daw siya nga sabi ni Vice. Now, Mr. Chairman, can we ask engineer and barangay captain Bautista to check, no? Kaya nyo bang i-check ngayon yung documents of Renalyn, yung signature niya? Matawagan nyo ba yung opisina nyo? O, pakinan po. Kahit man lang dun sa sa Viber na o sa Messenger, padala na lang. Para i-confirm na natin, Mr. Chairman, kung the signature appears in this document is the same as the signature of Renalyn Solomon from the Municipal Engineer's Office. Thank you, Chairman.
Okay, thank you.
Chair,
Congressman Fernandez.
have we prepared dinner for this committee hearing?
Unfortunately not. But the chair will never refuse an offer coming from Congressman Dan Fernandez if he wishes to provide food for the committee and the resource persons. So I guess we've covered practically sufficient enough, no, to be able to at least have an idea as to where the committee and the committee's directions, direction of the committee will be, no, in the next hearing. So, if there are no other questions, we'd like to dispose of the pending administrative matters, which was earlier moved by Congressman Akop. So, okay, mukhang ginaganahan si Congressman Dan Fernandez. You're given, you can proceed, Congressman, before we dispose of the other admin matters.
Chairman, ano lang po, baka makalimutan ko lang. NBI, we have now confirmed the picture of Renalyn. Kindly coordinate lang po kay PD. Nandun po sa kanya yung yung picture po. Thank you.
Okay, so where's Congressman Fernandez? Congressman Fernandez, you're recognized.
I'm just wondering kung lahat po ng mga resource speakers natin have been asked questions, no? Baka kasi meron tayong mga naimbitahan that hindi naman po natin natanong, nakakaawa naman po. Siguro like for example, yung kapitan po ng we have invited him but we never ask questions, ano? Si kapitan ng Kapitan David. Andiyan ba si Kapitan David? Ayun, ayan. Kawawa naman po siya, Mr. Chairman. He's been sitting there for like 7 hours. And we invited him and we never ask questions. So, maybe, Kapitan, kasi yung, like for example, we have asked you, nung last hearing, di ba? That you have issued yung mga clearance and permit doon sa pagtatayo ng mga buildings doon sa barangay mo. And you answered that, what was your answer during that time? Ano po yung sagot po ninyo sa tanong namin that time? Kung nabigyan nyo na-issuean nyo ng clearance?
Good afternoon po, Your Honor.
Yes, Kapitan.
Junk shop po yun.
Oh, yun. At yun ang naging, yung junk shop na yun, babalik po tayo doon, Mr. Chairman, that